Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making vegan pizza from scratch. I'm gonna show you my favorite pizza dough recipe that's super easy to make, as well as my favorite toppings. So without further ado, let's get to the recipe. To prepare the dough, we're gonna pour in a bowl a half a cup of warm water. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Mix until yeast completely dissolves. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of sea salt and mix again. At this point we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and knead the dough. Use more flour if needed and knead it for a few minutes. The dough should be soft. Then wrap it and set aside for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare the toppings. Thinly slice about 1 cup of mushrooms and set them aside. Then slice 1 bell pepper, any color you have. After that, slice 1 medium tomato and set all aside. For the sauce, we're gonna mix 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. After 30 minutes, when the dough is raised, we're gonna knead it a little again. Then we're gonna roll it out in a pizza size. I recommend doing it on a parchment paper, as it's gonna be easy to transfer to a baking pan. At this point, make a holes with a fork all over the dough. It will prevent the pizza from unwanted bumps while baking. Spread the sauce evenly on the dough. Then put toppings, mushrooms, bell pepper, tomatoes, and your favorite vegan cheese. Bake it for 30 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Be cautious and take a look frequently, as the temperature is very high and it can easily burn out. Remove from the oven, slice while it's hot, serve and enjoy. This pizza is amazingly delicious. The important ingredient here is cheese. I know it's not easy to find a good vegan cheese that would taste great and melt as regular cheese. I used here Real Life. So far it's my favorite. It tastes great and, as you can see, melts easily. Thank you for stopping by. If you like my video, consider to subscribe and like. I love to share my plant-based recipes and experience, and I post new video every Tuesday. Also comment below your thoughts about this recipe. See you next time. Bye!